This stunning 4-bedroom home on a 600 square metre block with a 4.5 by 17 metre shed, and even more specials inside.
Inside is absolutely gorgeous. 3-metre high vaulted ceilings, expertly designed floor plan, and so much more. This is a truly special home you need to come and see. We'll talk to you then.
It's what you do.